Moving on, Igboukwu community, believed to be the progenitor of Igbo races across the globe and father of all human and world civilization, has celebrated her 2024 edition of Nnanyi Igbo Cultural Fiesta. Correspondent Joseph Ebocha now reports.
Ritual at the event held at Central School Field, Igboukwu, the traditional ruler of the community, Igwe Alex Azike, prayed God to bless the community with love, peace, and progress. President General of the community, Dr. Michael Oba, who commended the Traditional Rulers Council for promoting their culture and tradition, pledged the support of the town union leadership, adding that efforts are on to ensure that Igboukwu is recognized as the center for Africa art and culture, making it a tourist destination east of the Niger.
We want to make Igboukwu the next tourist destination east of the Niger. We want to, celebrate and reinforce our cultural heritage to impact on our economy.
Others, including the chairman of Zenozo Igboukwu, Mr. Umobalugo Ezekanobi, Chief Chuks Okoye, and the Igboukwu woman leader, Mrs. Kate Ozonyasi, represented by Mrs. Chika Okonkwo, described the festival as one that helps unite community members. Crowds gathered at the event were entertained with performance by the Anambra cultural troupe, masquerade displays, local delicacies, among others. From Igboukwu in Agwata local government area, Joseph Ebocha reporting for ABS News.